Buying a home can be stressful, especially in today's market. You want to feel prepared and you want to make sure that you're not going to make costly mistakes. In today's video, I'm going to cover top essential tips for home buyers that are actually worth taking note of. My name is Melissa Urena, Long Beach local and LA County realtor. I'm so happy to have you back here in the channel. And if you learned anything of value today, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe. And if halfway through the video you think to yourself, hey, I want to chat more with Melissa about what's going on in LA or Long Beach, all you have to do is go into the description and click on the very first link to book a call with me. Let's get started. Number one, make sure to not sink every dollar into your down payment and closing costs. The first few months of moving into a home will have expenses. Anything from booking your movers to buying new furniture to appliances that go on the fritz. You want to make sure that you have a safety cushion. Number two, look beyond decor. What you're looking for when you walk into the home is functionality and classic floor plans that have staying power. Try not to get distracted by dirty carpets or walls that need fresh paint. And by the same token, try not to get distracted by beautifully staged homes that maybe have an awkward floor plan. Number three, you want to get familiar with the neighborhood. Make sure that you're visiting in the morning around 4 or 5 p.m. when folks are getting home from school and work. Drive by again that night. Find a few businesses on Yelp that are highly rated. Go sit in the cafes. Really soak in the character of the neighborhood. Number four, talk to the neighbors. These are folks you're going to be living next to. Don't be shy to knock on the door and ask what their experience has been living in the neighborhood. This will give you valuable insights. Number five, your real estate agent. Love them or hate them, real estate agents are critical to the transaction, and a good one will make all the difference between you winning a home that you love and the experience that you'll have as you're going through the process. To pick the right agent, make sure that you interview more than one. All buyer consultations and interviews with the realtor you're going to pick are free, so take advantage of that. When asking for a recommendation from friends and family, make sure it's a realtor that they have actually transacted with. They've closed a transaction with this agent. It's not just a sister or a cousin who just got licensed. You want to know about their experience. Ask how many transactions they've closed in the past year, and you want to hear a number higher than 12. An agent who's closing at least one transaction a month should be the minimum. Number six, location, location, location. And you've heard this one before. If you're a first-time home buyer, your home budget is likely for a starter home. And at some point, you might be asked to make the decision between a beautifully remodeled home in a okay neighborhood or a bit of a fixer-upper in a great neighborhood. Remember, you can always remodel a home. You can't change a neighborhood. Always opt for location over condition. Number seven, focus on your monthly mortgage and not your approval amount. When you get your approval letter, it's natural to be excited and go, woohoo, look at how much I'm approved for. Let me go shopping for a home. But you don't want to make a decision based on how much you were approved for. You want to make a decision based on your comfort level for that monthly payment. Make sure to pick a lender that will take the time to sit down with you and look at your payments at every purchase price level. You want someone who's going to explain what the difference is between buying a $750,000 home versus $775,000 versus $800,000, $825,000, on and on, so that you can clearly see the monthly budget and make a decision on what kind of home you want to pursue based on the mortgage. Number eight, credits, not repairs. If you do opt to go for a home that's a little bit more of a fixer-upper, it's natural to ask your agent, hey, is the homeowner willing to repair A, B, C, D, F, G item for me, what I recommend is not having the homeowner do the repairs, but rather give you a credit so that you can handle these repairs for you at the end. Remember, a home seller is in a transition phase in their life. You don't know if it's a divorce, loss of job, moving out of state. They have so much on their plate that they may not be in a position to project manage a repair. You don't know if they're going to hire a handyman or a licensed contractor. You're not going to be there to manage or oversee the work. So the best thing that you can do is take a credit so that you can handle those repairs after you are the homeowner. Number 9, if you do go for that bit of a fixer, make sure you overestimate everything. You do want to get contractor bids for the repairs that you want to eventually do on that home, but contractor bids can have what are called change orders, meaning they change the price on the order based on findings. They could open up the wall in the kitchen and find out that there's mold, and now the kitchen remodel has gone up. So you want to add anywhere between 10 to 15% of the price of the bids that you're getting, and make sure that you're still comfortable with that for any unforeseen costs. Number 10, emotionally prepare for not winning a home that you love. It's an incredibly competitive market right now, and it is taking buyers, especially first-time home buyers, a few bids before they actually win a home. Talk to your agent about what you're willing to do and not do to win a bidding war, and understand that it may take a few homes. Try not to get too disappointed if you lose out on that first, second, or third home that you bid on. It is very normal in this market. It has nothing to do with you. I promise you, your home is waiting for you and you will find it.